Fire HD8. It's a very, very light charger and a Type-C cable. I'm very glad it's been upgraded to a Type-C instead of a USB, micro USB. All right, let's power it on. Very portable. I think the performance is good enough for such a small tablet. Let's check out the charging speed. So, according to the specification, the regular version takes about 5 hours to recharge, and the Plus version is much faster at 4 hours. So I hook up a power meter and let's test and plug this into my power meter and get a power strip. We have a charging port here and volume and power key, and there's also a headphone jack. All right, charging started at 6 watts, and let's test later with the raw power charger with the Type-C DP port.
As you can see, I have a MacBook Air computer, and my previous charger started to have the wire fray. And so I was looking for a product that would be an exact replica of what I had. I was able to find this charger, which I am very pleased with, is almost the exact same thing. The product description was very clear to show that it has the exact prongs needed for the charger. It's the magnetic, just like my previous charger, and it does exactly as it says, and the light works as it's supposed to. It also has this nice little tie wrap where you can fold it up nicely and not have to worry about over bending the cord. So it works exactly as it's supposed to, and I'm very pleased. Thank you.